POV Podcast Our View. We are so excited to see all of you here.
That's right, my name is Katananda Putri and I'm here with my amazing co-host.
My name is Celia Mawana Putri.
We will be your host for today's season.
Before we begin, we'd like to give a very warm welcome to our Master of Ceremony who will be guiding us through the program today.
Yes, and of course, we also want to warmly welcome our guest speaker, Dea and Shiva, who will be sharing inspiring insights with us later on.
We are sure today event will be meaningful and full of information, so make sure to stay tuned until the end.
Without further ado, let's welcome our MC to officially start the event. Please give a big round of applause.
Welcome to POV Podcast Our View. Today we are tackling a big question. Does it really help conservation of the environment? Joining us, there are Dr. Shiva Taskia, a biologist specializing in conservation, and Dea, a passionate and
Hi, it's great to be here.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, this is your tema for our podcast. Shiva, so let's start with you. Is it fair to say zoos are vital for conservation?
Absolutely, Freya. Modern zoos are crucial conservation hubs. They run incredibly successful breeding programs that help save species from the brink of extinction, like the California condor. Zoos also serve as living laboratories, allowing scientists to conduct vital research on animal genetics and behavior. And importantly, they educate millions of people every year. The direct experience of seeing an animal often sparks a lifelong passion for conservation.
Oh, it's really good for you. And Dea, what's your take? Do the conservation claim justified for ethical issues?
Shiva, I respect your work, but these conservation claims are largely overblown. Most animals in zoo are not endangered, and breeding programs only work for a tiny handful of species. My main issue is the inherent unnaturalness of captivity. Intelligent migratory animals like elephants and orcas suffer psychologically in enclosures that are simply too small. This isn't conservation, it's putting animals on display for profit. Data shows most visitors are there for a day out, not for a lecture on conservation.
Okay, Shiva, how do you address the welfare concerns in zoo?
We're constantly improving. Accredited zoos are now investing heavily in environmental enrichment programs and larger, more naturalistic habitat to improve welfare. Our goal is for animals to thrive, not just survive. And that profit they mentioned, it funds our conservation effort in the animal's native habitat, paying for things like anti-poaching unit and forest preservation.
But the money spent on entertainment far outweigh the money for conservation. I argue that if the goal is truly education, we should invest in virtual reality experiences or high-quality documentaries. People can learn about animals without the ethical compromise of keeping them captive. We should be focused on protecting animals in the wild, not keeping them in cages.
It's really good for you, Dea. That's a PowerPoint. Dea and Shiva, thank you for this insightful discussion. It's clear. Okay, it's clear. This issue is not black and white, and both sides have very strong arguments. And everyone, to sum up, it's not about whether zoos are good or bad. It's about how they are managed. Let's make sure that if we have zoo, they exist to protect animals, not just to entertain humans. Thank you for your listening.
Wow, what an amazing season we have had
had today. The instincts stirred by our speaker were truly inspiring.
Absolutely, we've learned so much and we hope everyone here feels motivated and engaged by today's discussion.
We'd like to express our deepest gratitude to our guest speaker for sharing their valuable time and knowledge with us.
And of course, a big thanks for Master of Ceremony Freya for leading the program so smoothly from start to finish.
Last but not least, thank you to all the participants for your enthusiasm and attention throughout the event.
That's all from us. My name is Anya and
My name is Jalia Mawar Putri.
see you
See you next time and have a wonderful day, everyone. Goodbye.